Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to another English grammar lecture, and today it is a very interesting topic that we are going to discuss, your favorite and something that you've been learning or reading since your initial grades. Well, today we are going to discuss nouns and its type in details. It is very basic topic of grammar, okay? So I hope you are going to have fun. I'm going to begin with a question. What are nouns? You have always read that noun is a naming word. There are many things that exist in this word and everything has to have a name, right? You need to give everything name to refer to it, to call to it, okay? So, noun is a word used as a name of a person, a thing, a place, an idea, or a situation. Everything in this world that has a physical existence or that is imaginary, it needs to have a name. I'm going to give you a few examples like Ali, girl, man, their person, and these are the names that we use to refer to them. Then we have things like chair and pen. For places we have like school, city, marketplace, airport. Then different situations, emotions, we have beauty and happiness. Now, continuing with types of noun, I'm sure that you have read the two basic types that are proper nouns and common nouns. You've been reading about them in your initial grades. Well, today we are going to explore more types, starting with countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Then we will have concrete nouns, then abstract nouns, then collective nouns, and in the end we'll be discussing material nouns. Okay, the first one is proper nouns. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, a particular thing, or a particular place, or a particular idea. Means something that is unique. Okay, we have a few examples like Pakistan, Pakistani, Ali, Salma. These are the names that belong to a person. Not everyone is Pakistani, not everyone is Ali, and not every woman or a girl is Salma. So these names are used to refer to a particular person. Then we have BMW, a company that makes cars, F-16, a certain type of fighter jet. So these are particular things. Then we have Multan, K2 and America, particular places. Your city is not called America. Your neighboring city is not called America. Similarly, not every mountain is a K2. These are particular names given to particular places. Next we have New Pakistan. Remember when the separation between East and West Pakistan happened? You must have read about it in Pakistan studies. Then we have two nation theory, based on which Pakistan came into being. So these are particular ideas. Moving on, we have common nouns. A common noun is the name of an ordinary person, an ordinary thing, a common place or an ordinary situation. Okay, the example is boy, man, woman. Like a category that is common, that is a lot in number, we use common nouns. Then we have school, park, village, city. All these are common places. Then we have car, pen, ship. Similarly, motorbike, okay, boats. These are all ordinary things. And in the end we have accident, means not every accident same, not every incident is same, but overall we refer to them as common nouns, that is accident. Similarly, sickness. Moving on, we have material nouns. As it is clear by the name, a material noun is the name of some material or a substance from which things are made, such as silver, gold, iron, cotton. Okay, can you name some others? There are some examples. A fresh coat of paint can transform a room. In this whole sentence, the paint we have, it is material noun. Similarly, the ball breaks the glass window. means windows are made up of using glass like mirror. So the glass here is a material noun. He is cutting an iron rod with a blade. Iron here is a substance, a material that is used to make iron rod here. So iron is material noun. Then we have concrete. Concrete is something solid. So concrete noun is the name of some physical being or material, means anything that has a physical existence. You can touch with your hand, you can see it with your eyes. Okay? Examples are chair, it is a physical thing. Or a book, it is also a physical thing. Gold, it is a material, you can touch it, you can see it. Similarly, other materials and other things, everything that you look around, you can see, you can touch them, they are concrete nouns. Opposite to it are the abstract nouns. A noun denoting an idea, quality or state rather than a concrete object, means something that you cannot see or touch with your hands, like an idea which you cannot touch, okay, like a quality that you cannot touch. We have examples. We have to get the truth out of the matter. Truth here is an abstract noun. Can you see the truth? If someone is telling you the truth, can you see it? Of course not. Next, she is celebrating her victory. Okay, victory here is abstract noun. Alex had a fear that he would fall down. Fear here is abstract noun. Again, something that he is feeling. She tried to restrain means control her anger. Again, it is an emotion that you cannot touch. Next we have collective nouns. Collective noun refers to a group of individuals. For example, all of you are sitting, okay, and I will refer to you as a class. I cannot call your names one by one, right? There are so many students in a class, so how am I going to refer to you? Of course, I would need a kind of a noun, a name that will be used for all of you together, similar individuals in a group. In other words, a collective noun is a word referring to a collection of things taken as a whole. The examples are Jack seems to be a member of a gang. Gang here is a collective noun that is being used for all the people in a group that do the wrong things. Next, she saw a flock of sheep, mean there are many sheep and together they are a flock. Brittany has piles of money. Okay, like different like piles of clothes, piles of notebooks. So piles is the collective noun we are using to refer to a lot of money. Next, the family next door is very quiet. The family means the people who are blood related, okay, like father, mother, son, daughter. So together they are known as a family. So these underlined nouns are collective nouns. Moving on, we have countable nouns. As you can see, it is clear from the name, the nouns that we can count. Means uncountable noun refers to some being, means some things that can be counted. Examples. Okay, I've given you random examples here. Dog, cat, animal, man, box, note, liter of milk, fork, table, suitcase, bag. All of these things can be seen and can be counted both. Opposite to it, we have uncountable nouns, means the things that you can see or you can feel but you cannot count them. Okay, like stars. Have you tried counting stars in the sky? I'm sure some part of your childhood you did try to count stars and you lost the count at what? 5, 7? There are so many stars in the sky that you cannot begin to count them. Similarly, your hair. Hair cannot be counted. There are too many. Okay? Similarly, rice in a sack or rice in your plate, have you tried counting them? It's nearly impossible. Next, air. You're surrounded by air. Air is like a blanket that covers our atmosphere, our earth. You cannot see the air. How come you'll be able to count it? Similarly, knowledge. You cannot measure or count someone's knowledge. It does not have a physical existence for you to be able to count it. Okay? That is all for today. If you have any questions, you can send us an email on this website, contact us on this number, or you can visit our website on this link. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.